Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Visual Studio Code, full guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your preferred web browser. Go to the official Visual Studio Code website at code.visualstudio.com. Once the page loads, look for the download button prominently displayed. Click on the download button for your operating system. If you're using Windows, the installer will download as a.exe file. For macOS users, the download will be a.dmg file. Linux users will have the option to choose between .deb and .rpm packages, depending on your distribution. After the file finishes downloading, locate it in your Downloads folder. For Windows, double-click the .exe file to launch the installer. Follow the prompts in the installation wizard. You will encounter the license agreement, read it and click I accept to proceed. Choose your installation location or leave it as the default. You can select additional tasks, such as creating a desktop icon or adding to path. Click the Install button to start the installation process. Once the installation is complete, click Finish to exit the installer. For macOS, double-click the downloaded .dmg file to open it. Drag the Visual Studio Code icon into your Applications folder. Eject the .dmg file once the application is copied. Open Visual Studio Code from your Applications folder. For Linux, open your terminal and navigate to the directory where your downloaded file is located. If you have a .deb file, use the command sudo dpkgi filename.deb. If you have a .rpm file, use sudo rpm ifilename.rpm. After installation, you can launch Visual Studio Code from your Applications menu. On the first launch, you might see a welcome screen with options to customize your environment. You can install extensions from the Extensions view for added functionality. Explore the settings to configure Visual Studio Code according to your preferences. Congratulations, you've successfully installed Visual Studio Code and are ready to start coding. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.